naman natin ngayon si Nikki sa Project Time.
Nakakabalita ko at itong si bubuting tingin niya ay isa sa pinaka-paboritong fashion item ni Nikki, ang kanyang plain white t-shirt.
Yes. Pero ang project natin ngayon, kasi nga diba binanggit niya kanina na she's doing this. Aray, di ba she's doing this, ano? She's doing this in the film.
Yes.
Entitled Red Shoes.
Yes.
So we thought of personalizing your shirt so that every time you wear it, or even if you don't, when you see it, you will remember this part of your life na ginawa mo yung red shoe. It's very easy. Kukuha ka lang ng template. It's just a sexy shoe. Just a sexy shoe. And then ito, any sparkly red material. Any luxurious material. Pwede satin, velvet, or ito.
Ano yun, i-glue natin siya bago natin tayo. Yung fabric glue,
Pwede rin.
Yes.
Pwede rin yun, but para talaga it lasts longer. Better if you sew it. But you can cut that. Habang kinikwentuhan mo kami.
Kamusta naman
ang
Valentine's ko.
Valentine's mo?
okay naman, makayapan naman.
Makayapan naman, mailangan.
Nailakas naman namin yung Valentine's na wala masyadong gastos. Pero,
If you go out Valentine's Day talaga, or we both had work.
we were supposed to have work. We were supposed to have a concert. It was supposed to be Belize and Zayar's concert.
Oo nga.
But it got postponed because of, I think they had a problem with
The venue?
or the sponsor, something like that. But it was rescheduled.
We were not tayo with my
Pwede.
Kailan yung pag-reschedule? We don't know yet.
We don't know yet. Wala pang concrete plans. But, just watch out for updates.
For that.
Yeah.
Ay, kayo sa nag-girl na
Wala mang nangyayari.
Natutuwa ako sa itsura niya.
Kaya, yung babaeng yan.
Mukha nga siyang nice. Nice siya. Yes, nahulog ang sapato.
May nangulog din.
Pero, dahil ang galing namin dito sa Sweet Life, palagi kaming may nandang finished product. Ito na ang ganito yung magiging itsura ni King ng
Yan. Uwi mo na yan.
Uwi mo yan. Kaya nalilagyan na namin ng red shoes, but no,
Lalo na
effort naman. Siyempre kaya namin yun. Kaya ako na kami dito. Up next!